Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn quantum physics for beginners. First, build a strong foundation in classical physics, especially mechanics and electromagnetism. These principles provide essential context for understanding quantum phenomena. Simultaneously, master key mathematical tools like linear algebra and differential equations, which are indispensable for quantum mechanics. Then, dive into conceptual introductions to grasp core ideas such as wave-particle duality and the uncertainty principle, setting the stage for deeper study. Next, delve into the heart of quantum mechanics by studying the Schrödinger equation, a central pillar of the theory. Explore its solutions for simple systems to build intuition. Grasp the concepts of quantum states and superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Understand the fascinating phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where particles become linked regardless of distance. Finally, learn about quantum measurement and the probabilistic nature of outcomes. As you progress, consider exploring more advanced topics like the basics of quantum field theory or the exciting field of quantum computing. Leverage excellent online resources, including free courses from top universities like MIT or Stanford, which offer structured learning paths. Supplement your learning with foundational textbooks, such as Principles of Quantum Mechanics by R. Shankar, for comprehensive understanding. Engaging with online forums and study groups can also provide valuable insights and support. To truly master quantum physics, actively solve a wide variety of practice problems. This hands-on approach is crucial for solidifying your understanding of theoretical concepts. Dedicate time to working through derivations and proofs independently, which deepens your grasp of the underlying mathematics. Remember that quantum physics is a challenging subject, so persistence is key. Continuously review and reinforce fundamental concepts to build a robust and lasting knowledge base.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.